Okay, you've got your lead magnet done. People are signing up, but here's the real magic: the tripwire. That tiny affordable offer that turns cold leads into paying customers fast. This is where most creators mess up. They either price it too high, offer too much, or don't know how to make it irresistible. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create a $7 to $27 no-brainer product that builds trust, creates momentum, and gets your buyers ready for your core offer. Because look, when I made my first dollar online, it wasn't from some $997 course or trying to sell to cold audiences. It was from a simple $7 digital product and Notion template. Small, clear, and delivers one quick win. That small purchase made people believe in me and set them up for buying bigger stuff later. So here's how you can build it in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Solve one specific problem. Don't overwhelm people. Your tripwire should solve one clear problem, just enough to create a quick win. For example, how to get 6-pack in 2 weeks working only 4 hours per week. Step number 2. Price between $7 and $27. Cheap enough to impulse buy, but valuable enough to deliver real results. Avoid freebie vibes. Step number 3. Keep it simple and quick. No long courses, think PDFs, swipe files, mini workshop, or templates. The goal is fast results and fast delivery. The next step, use social proof or scarcity. If you've got testimonials, share them. If not, add scarcity like limited time offer, or the first 50 people who join now will get an exclusive bonus. And the last one is upsell and bridge to your core offer. Your tripwire must logically lead to your main offer. Just make it very simple. Once you've done this, here's how to go deeper. This tripwire is your foot in the door. Nail it and you start turning followers into paying customers.